Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Tyrone back with Tech Life. And I want to give a shout out to Michael Williams for sending in the email. There is a new firmware update for the Nokia trash can unit, as many of you call it. The software or firmware update version is 0286. So it's going from 0338 to 0286. So it's more of a security and stability firmware update. I haven't received it yet to my unit. So let me know if you've received it to your unit and if you've seen any improvements or if you've seen any negatives. I know with some of these updates that I've seen previously, there have been some negative updates to the router versus the previous update. You know, it was the previous update, it was more stable. Then they sent out a new firmware update and the unit was not as stable. So let me know if you have this update, 0286. I haven't received it yet. I'll keep checking. My unit is still on 0338, which has been stable. So I want to see if this new update is going to remain as stable or even, more stable than the last software update. So if T-Mobile gets this right with the software update and everything else, then it should only get, more stable than it already is. But we'll have to see, and we'll see as we get in these updates. So make sure you guys like, share, subscribe to the channel. Follow my social media outlets for more updates and interactions. This is Tyrone with Tech Life. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.